with me, split the bill with me, geek up. Rich youngie boy, take his in, I'm a sleeper. Said the biggest streamers give me heads on the tour, but I just bitch trying to get up on me, but I brought it. Ass train, man, I spend the judges on flare pins. She know the seats give you hugs and I'm big fans. All my bitches got right now I need my little shit, we ain't fucking a minute. Fuck, while I'm in it, tell me that you miss it. After we fuck, she get up and say, Eli, don't play with my feelings. I'ma let a bitch go before I let a whole play my business.
What's good, y'all? Today we about to be doing just some simple maintenance on the G. You already know. So we're gonna be replacing the differential fluid. Did with something else, but let's get right into it. We got the G ski right here in the garage. Let's go on in. Let's door. Right now, we got the G up on ramps. Beautiful package from Z1. You already know we got the differential fluid, some new bushings, brace kit, differential brace right there. Got the car up on ramps right now, and got that beautiful LSD right under there.
Oh! Ew! Dude! What the fuck?
I'm gonna be doing some work today, so I'm gonna try to record every once in a while. I'm still not too good at this shit, so let's see what we got going. All right, y'all. So we pulled the fill plug first to make sure that would come out. Got the drain plug out. Let's take a look. You can see we are at exactly 73,000 miles. So this is very normal metal shavings on my drain plug. It's just part of the break-in. Break-in's right around 70,000. We're at 73, so that's not too bad. We have two new drain plug washers we're gonna replace. Pop in our new fluid. Let's do it. Alright, so we got our drain plug all cleaned off, the little magnet cleaned. Here's all the little remnants from this first ever differential fluid change on this vehicle. So, I mean, you're gonna have some residue, you're gonna have some little metal flaking. Oil is definitely used. She is dark, very, very dark, so very glad to be doing this. Yeah, this fluid is definitely at the end of its life, so. The drain, so you see it start dripping out just like so, and we're gonna pull this right out of here to the side. I'm gonna wipe up the excess, throw in the drain plug, and then it should be good. Torque it down. So we got the differential fluid changed out, all set. Now we're going to be installing my Z1 Motorsports Differential Brace. This is going to bolt up just right here. We're going to replace that lower bolt. We're going to replace this bolt right here, and then we're going to fish a bolt in through the subframe for the third one. differential brace installed. Looking good. We just got to torque up this bolt and this bolt up here. And then we comes to the jack point, which is pretty nice. The worst bolt is definitely the one inside here. You can see it's all the way up there. You have to fish it through with the wrench. That one took me forever. And then you put the nut on the back side. It's a 19 in there. It's a 11/16 out here. And then these are both 14. So I'm going to torque these down and then we're going to go drive it a little bit. All right, let's do it. Y'all, we got everything buttoned up. We got the differential brace in, we got the drain plug, everything is good to go. I'm about to go drive the car, do some hard left turns, hard right turns, get the differential fluid flowing, and then I'll probably try to get a couple slides in today since it's raining out still. So let's go. All right, you guys, I just want to go over a couple quick things before I close out the video that I didn't get to go over during the video. First of all, the diff fluid that I used in this video was Redline 75W140. The reason why I chose this fluid is because I will be driving this car very hard. I will be drifting it hard, everything like that, and I wanted the higher viscosity for higher temperatures so that it keeps everything lubricated when I am driving hard. Second of all, I would just like to say that the Z1 differential brace is the best bang for your buck mod with instant results. You get less wheel hop, more stability, and longer bushing longevity. With that being said, I will be replacing my differential bushings in a very soon video, but without further ado, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I can't wait for you guys to see next week's video with my girlfriend's car. Let's go.